Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life. I have a box today, and I thought that it was the Ellis Tarot, but I looked at the return address and I'm not sure. It must be a Kickstarter, so I'm glad I waited to open it on video. I'll be having a lot of my Kickstarters come in the next few weeks. I'm getting shipment notifications from everybody. But you know, it just takes a while, so. Oh, I think this is the Haptic Tarot. Yes, it is. In those seek and find single pulls, each card acts as a navigational tool, providing insight to specific areas of life. Begin by shuffling your deck, then locate the corresponding card and remove the card behind it. This card offers some guidance in line with the intentions outlined below. That is very pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll set this aside. Of course, I got an altar cloth. Oh, those are scissors, honey. Why don't you play with the chicken? It's a lot cuter than scissors. Okay, so the fabric feels like a type of t-shirt material. Like, it's definitely like a jersey type feel. And it's this soft brown color. Like, it's really dark, but it's... Yeah, I know. It's like worn or something. It's a soft color. I like that. It's plain, so it will go behind whatever project I'm working on. Very nice. I'm happy with that. You gonna look at the Housewives Tarot? Okay. Wait, we have a Mickey Mouse that came to visit. In a world increasingly defined by digital interactions, the Haptic Tarot invites you to engage with the tactile sensations of the cards, tapping into their messages. Inspired by the works of early Renaissance Flemish artist Jan van Eyck, this deck dives into the secrets of the cards, where hands play a central role. Relates to our sense of touch, and this deck guides you through a sensorial and tactile journey of self-discovery, inviting you to unveil profound connections with a harmonious blend of art history, design, and technology to fully activate your intuition. So the box is pretty plain. I like the inside. It's again, it's subtle, and that's very pretty. I wonder if I've been in screen. Okay, never mind. And it's by Nicholas Jacobs, and right here it says first edition. And I really think it would appeal to a lot of the people who already have like classical Renaissance type works. Tarot decks. So, Mickey, you're gonna have to move. You don't fit. You don't fit the picture. Okay, so it's a very small guidebook. As best I can, Jan van Eyck. Introduction, inspiration, the creative process, the major arcana, the suit of cups, the suit of wands, the suit of swords, and I'm sure Pentacles is in there somewhere, and spreads. So there are quite a few spreads in the back. You want to hold it? Don't chew on it. You chewed on the last one. That was very sad. Oh, that's waxy. You want to feel it? it smell good? It smells good, guys. Okay, so let's look at the backs. Oh, it's just like the inside of the box, only brighter.
Yeah.
That's the Fool. The cardstock is very flexible. It's very nice. It's what I think I would like with a larger deck. The Magician.
Yeah.
The High Priestess. Sorry. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength, that's right. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. This is giving me Somnia vibes, Somnia Tarot vibes. The Hanged Man. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower, that's great. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. The Reader. What a nice card. That's weird. This might be one of my next very favorite decks. I haven't worked with it. Obviously, I just opened the box. But this is just so great. I really love this. It's so soft and yet stern. It feels like it has a very stern voice. You do too, huh? I love the age differences in the hands. You know, you're spitting all over my book. I think that's so gross. Oh, that's nice. Snow. Oh, it's snow. Oh, it's so cool. You're still spitting. That's a nice looking dog. Yes, it is. Puppy says woof woof. Well, I love it. I'm very excited to work with it. I'll have to keep you guys informed as to how it works out. Tickles. Okay, that was the unboxing and flip through of the Haptic Tarot. This was a Kickstarter. Nicholas, what did I say his name is? Nicholas Jacobs did just about everything with it. I don't see any other credits on this besides his. I've been playing with it for the last couple of days because obviously my unboxing took a while to edit, so I've been playing with it. And I really like the way it shuffles. Again, I'll tell you that I don't generally riffle shuffle when I'm working with the deck, but just to, you know, give you an idea of how it riffle shuffles. It's pretty beautiful. The cards are larger than normal. Let's get the regular Rider-Waite-Smith. So this is the Centennial Rider-Waite-Smith. And we'll use the High Priestess card. So it's larger than normal. The cards feel a little bit more flexible than the Centennial, but they're probably the same thickness. I want to try and get better about telling you guys about cardstock, because I know that it's really important. It's one of those details that if you don't, you know, address it, then you're missing out on somebody who needs that information. So, great deck. I really, really like it. There's a couple of cards that I felt had some problems. There were some inclusions of things and exclusions of things that I felt like it needed, and so I did contact the creator and let him know. I made a list of the cards that I thought had some issues, and I was hoping that maybe by me addressing those to him, he might update the imagery for the second edition. So anybody who missed out on the Kickstarter, if there happens to be a second edition, I would say go for the second edition, because the first edition is great. Like, I love the quality, I love having the first one, but you know, there's a little bit of it could use a little work. He needs to pay some attention to some details. So if you're into details, maybe wait for the second one, or write to him and ask him if he plans on doing something about those details, and, you know, maybe he doesn't have to do too much. I don't know. It didn't seem like much to me. So that was the Haptic Tarot Kickstarter. I don't know where to tell you to go to get it. I will probably leave a link to the Kickstarter below, but if there's another link at Kickstarter that takes you to his website, I'll put that down there too. So I hope you guys have a great week, and thanks for watching this unboxing. Bye!